Sanbonani, football lovers. Welcome to Sporty Pongs. Igama lami Ubongi Nkosi. Please help me grow the channel by liking or subscribing to the channel if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. And if you have already subscribed, please don't forget to like the video after watching. I'm going to give you the latest news updates on what is happening currently at Naturena. Stay tuned. Sesinalesiphithiphithi esenzakalayo between Kaizer Chiefs and coach Nasreddine Nabi, and it was stated by Soccerbit ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs, no, not Kaizer Chiefs, Kaizer Chiefs former coach Nasreddine Nabi seems like he has attracted interest from clubs from Tanzania and Libya. So in Tanzania, his former team Young Africans seems like they are interested in bringing him back. And in Libya, Al Ahly Tripoli seems like now they are keen on signing coach Nasreddine Nabi. So obvious, we know ukuthi so far Kaizer Chiefs since agcina keep a statement ukuthi was suspended for now because indaba zama paperwork. But so as things stand, he's on demand because they know ukuthi he's capable in terms of trying ukuthi akwazi ukuthi asize i-team ukuthi win ama-trophies because wayiqala lento lena with i-Young Africans, so they see ukuthi he's suitable for that job. And Al Ahly Tripoli nabo they feel like ukuthi if they get a chance nabo bangamsign, but now they have to wait from i-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi ikhiphe a statement official ukuthi he has already been fired by Kaizer Chiefs, because for now kusalindwe nje i-statement because mele kulungiswe indaba zama compensation, because remember ukuthi he had 2 years that he said is gonna serve on his contract as a Kaizer Chiefs coach and with an option to extend. So now inkinga izoba ile option to extend because sekumele bakwazi ukukhipha imali ukuthi bazokwazi ukuthi bamcompensate. So le nto leyo iyodwa nje iyenza ukuthi kube difficult because I think into delay ukuthi they are on talks ukuthi bazosettlela kanjani in terms of settlement. So that's why it delays ukuthi bam-announce ukuthi okay, he has departed ways with the Kaizer Chiefs. So konke nje lokho nje sekulinda ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs decide, because it can happen ukuthi because in the past few weeks there were rumors ukuthi uhambile waya kuSimba, and most of the time you see him kuma tournaments whereby ukuthi he's watching his former teams that he coached. So it can happen ukuthi he's arranging meetings with the hope ukuthi he can get a contract. But now into eyenza ukuthi kungabi lula ukuthi mela deal nale situation abhekane nayo yale Naturena. After lapho that's when yonke into izoba, because it can happen ukuthi naye he can find a club in these two that have been mentioned, but manje into ebalekile for him ukuthi athathe izinto professionally, alinde up until asettle yonke into, finalize yonke into with the Kaizer Chiefs, because surely nakanjani into yakhe ne-Kaizer Chiefs seyiphelile. So obviously naye manje sekumele abheke ukuthi for his future endeavors uyobhekaphi. So those are two destinations that we can see him going to, because obvious those are two big clubs in their respective countries. So for a profile of coach Nasreddine Nabi, finding himself in one of the two, obvious it won't be a downgrade from Kaizer Chiefs. Yabo. So I don't know ukuthi manje kulindweni, because if i-Chiefs vele yamhambisa, it simply means naye angazi negotiate with the team of his choice ukuthi I can take this one ngayeka le. But Young Africans obvious will be the favorite to get his signature. So asiphume lapho, let's focus on i-Chiefs because he team esifavor. Kaizer Chiefs, it was confirmed that there was a game that was supposed to be played, or a tournament, Prince Mangosuthu Buthelezi Cup, that was supposed to be played on the weekend of 11 October, but it was postponed to 16 November due to ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs will be participating with CAF Confederations Cup 18 October with i-AS Simba yase-Congo. So it simply means ukuthi beklesha i-schedule. So for i-Chiefs obviously nabo they have to focus ukuthi bakwazi ukuthi bahlale kule tournament for the longest time. So they've decided ukuthi hayi sizoyishifta soyidlala ngesinye isikhathi because we have to commit ourselves on this CAF Confederation, especially after missing out Black Label Cup no baphume on the first round. So obviously yiwo ama-update asesekhona lawa. Then ke let's move to indaba yethu ama-coach bethu abayi-2. The very same fate that Nabi is facing is going to be the one that they will face uKhalil Ben Yusuf and uCedric Gaza. Remember ukuthi those two coaches have a contract the same as uNabi ukuthi we sign on this date, you yaka on this date. So for Kaizer Chiefs, when they will think of releasing them, they will think of one thing, the cost. Ukuthi ikuzoba cost ukuthi babadedele, because remember ukuthi nabo they will have to have imali ye-settlement ukuthi lesikhathi sesisele kule contract isemele basibhadale. So i-Chiefs might opt ukuthi iqhubeke nabo up until kuphela i-contract or ibadedele, but iyobadedela ebunzimeni because these two coaches and also laba amanye abayi-2 nabo it might happen ukuthi babahambise bonke and bheka lama cost lawo because basasabhekene nanenkinga kaNabi ngapha ukuthi balungise ukuthi i-settlement ihamba kanjani. So is not the same case with how it happened when bekuyithena kaMolefe Kelvin Johnson whereby ukuthi mase kuzofika uNabi bonke bavele badimotho kwayiswa laphana kuma reserves because they were demoted. But for these ones, they are not local coaches, they are international. So it simply means ukuthi mabahamba kuyahanjwa vele kubuyela kuphi ngale ema-country no. So for Kaizer Chiefs, they are thinking about ama-cost ukuthi it won't be easy ukuthi sibadedele kanjalo, even though it might happen ukuthi bayafuna ukubahambisa, but sekuyolindwa ukuthi kube nomonakalo omkhulu before they decide ukuthi babahambise, because it is clear to everyone ukuthi they've lost the dressing room. But now sokukuthi nje Kaizer Chiefs nabo before they take any decision mele benze sure ukuthi ababe rational, they must think it through thoroughly so that they know the decision that they're going to take, it won't affect the team as a whole, not only in management. So obviously we are looking at the cost, we are looking at the momentum of the club. So it's things like that will make it difficult for ukuthi Abu Bobi nabo Kaizer Junior ukuthi bakwazi ukudecide ukuthi no siyabadedela, because we see, because the next coach Kaizer Chiefs mele kube coach that we know very well ukuthi is a coach that is going to bring results. And kuma coaches ana kanjalo, there are 2 candidates that I believe what they can do. They can do that. It is Patrice Carteron and Dr. Peter Msimana. But the only thing is about Khahlela with the management. Those 2 coaches, they demand from a management. They want to be in control of the club, of the squad. Number 1. Number 2, they want full support from the management, of which it is something Kaizer Chiefs is not capable of doing, especially the management. So obviously we have to prepare ourselves for whoever that we're gonna get as a coach will be someone that won't be that kind of a coach that will bring immediate results, but uzodinga isikhathi sokubhila, because even ucoach Jose Rivero, there were rumors ukuthi ngenzeka iChiefs imsayine. That coach yena ke, one thing about him, it doesn't care about the control of the club, but uyenza sure ukuthi ama players awacoachwayo they fear him. Because if you watch that giant series of Orlando Pirates, that moment la khona buzo Saleng ukuthi are you okay what you Saleng, no what okay phuma nkota ngene, that shows ukuthi that coach akancenge, but it's all about ukuthi focus on the team ukuthi yenze kahle. But the other 2 I've mentioned, those are 2 coaches I can tell you ukuthi they are very demanding, and those are type of coaches that Kaizer Chiefs avoid by any means in order ukuthi babathole, because they know very well ukuthi angeke kube lula ukuthi baba influence in making decisions that at some point are not good for the club. But I don't know, what do you think about that? This was it for today. Ungakhohlwa ukulike, ukusubscribe. Nakhona, if you feel ngazathi the content that I'm giving you, it is conducive to you. Tango.